How to remove phone number from Facebook. First is by opening your Facebook app and then simply go to your profile or your menu found on the lower right corner of the screen. Scroll down until you can see Settings and Privacy and click on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings, wait for it to load, and click on See More in Account Center. Click on See More in Account Center, go to Personal Details, and go to Contact Info right here. Once you're right there, choose the phone number that you want to delete. For example, I'll choose this one. And then simply click on Delete Number right here. Click on Delete once again. And then you need to enter your passcode in order for you to confirm your deletion. Click on Continue. And then once you go back and refresh your settings, you may now see that you have removed your phone number from your Facebook. So there you go. That's it. That's how you can remove phone number from Facebook.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.